So, what do I mean by detoxification and regeneration? Because I do believe that if we can detoxify and regenerate the body, which it is totally capable of doing, then that is what equals to healing and to real, true health. So, detoxify means that we get rid of the toxic load that has been accumulating in our bodies since before birth, that we inherited from our mother and from generations before. We are all born already with what is adding to our toxic load, and all of the chemicals, all of the toxins, the metals, all of the foods that we eat, the feelings in the feelings in our mouths, the air that we're breathing, the products that we're using on our skin, that with all of the chemicals, deodorants that we wear, hair, what we brush our hair with, all of these things that we are exposed to every day of our lives that we know about and that we have no clue or are totally unaware of. They all have an effect on the inside of our bodies. Just think about a fishbowl that you look at that is cloudy, that is unclean. What are you gonna do? Are you just gonna leave it and let the fish just continue to swim in a cloudy, dirty bowl of water? We take the fish out, put it in a smaller jar of water, then we clean that fish bowl out, and we put clean water in there so that the environment that the fish is in will be an environment where the fish can thrive. Think about a garden. You know, we cultivate it. We we need to, not putting nasty fertilizer and chemicals in there like the but anyway, a garden that is full of life. We want to tend to that. We want to give it the nourishment, the nutrients that it needs to provide us with nourishment. Or any kind of plant. If you've got an indoor plant, you're not going to you're going to give it water. You may even have to find the best place in your house for it to get the sunlight that it needs. So the same is for our inside of our bodies. In order for it to work, to give the ecosystem that lives within us what it needs in order to thrive, we've got to give it what it needs and to detoxify and clean out what is not serving it. It affects what we put into our bodies, affect how it works. And so we have to think about the environment that we are creating. And this comes from all different kinds of places: the air that we breathe, the water that we drink. I'm thinking about all of the what may be in our water, the foods that we eat, whether we eat real, whole, clean foods or processed, fake foods with all of the preservatives and food colorings and chemicals within it. The products that we're using have an effect on that. Our emotional state is so big. This is the reason that stress that we have is so impactful, because stress and emotions based on whether we're having positive emotions or negative emotions. And the more toxic load that we have, it works in the brain with the neurotoxins as well, and affects our ability to have positive emotions. And negative emotions send off chemicals that are not good for, and that adds to our toxic load. um, and so all of these issues go into our environment of our bodies. And so when we detoxify, we clean that, then our cells, our microbiome is given a chance to regenerate and to replenish that balance. And so there starts the regeneration, which takes a while. It's just not one of those things that's going to be an easy fix, because it takes time for the body to regenerate and to replenish after it has been so negatively affected. But this, my friends, is a path to true health and to true well-being. I am in the process of experiencing it myself, and I really do intuitively, with my intuitive knowing that I am getting back a little bit from my experience with toxicity. I feel that this is a true path, and my goal in life, and what I feel that I am supposed to give back to the world, is to help others with this as well. So, detoxification plus regeneration equals true healing. Is it easy? No. Does it take a lot of work, patience, diligence, all of those things? Yes, but it is so well worth it, and I am here to help every step of the way.